If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMtrading. Today's March 18th, 2020, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the major economic events today, just one event coming out of Canada, hopefully to help the Canadian dollar at 2:30 South African time, monthly CPI number coming out. Now, obviously, we're still in the hurricane of the coronavirus, okay? I don't know what a better word to say. So we're still trading through it. Now, looking at the Forex symbols, we saw the euro back on support. This is a multi-time frame support at 110 from going all the way up to 114. Canadian dollar, new all-time low versus the USD. Unbelievable. We're going to take a look at both of those. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, continues to tumble. After yesterday, we had a short covering day, and we're at limit down right now. Looking at the commodities, gold is flat, where oil trickles down to $26 a barrel. And lastly, looking at the stocks, yesterday we were mixed, but if the Dow continues to tumble, then I do posit that the rest of the market will continue to tumble with it. But let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect considering this massive situation. So we're looking here at the Euro USD. You can see right there we touched that 110-ish level. That is a multi-support area. Now this has been around here. This line has been here for quite some time, and we broke it just last week or 2 weeks ago, on the upside, and then we made a reversal. Perfect kind of reversal for trading the euro. Now, if we do break this 109, then there's no question we'll hit this 107 at a certain point, okay? Especially as we continue this lockdown situation around the world. Now, the GBP is on its all-time lows, 120.93, okay? And if it does break lower than that, we could see it further decline into all-time new lows, okay? Looking at a weekly chart, this is a weekly chart of everything back from 2004 until now. That's 15 years. We have never been at such a level with the GBP, okay? So really scary, very scary kind of graphs right now that we're looking at, charts of not knowing how much further we can continue this downwards momentum. Next, we're going to be looking at the Canadian dollar. You could see, and this, I mentioned this the other day, once we hit this and we break it further, especially if oil goes down, we'll see this continue going up. So this is at all-time lows versus the USD. If we look at a monthly chart, you could see that even clearer. Okay, we've never been here with a bar, okay, with a full candlestick above this 140-ish level before. So this is really unprecedented. Everything here is historic. So as long as we continue going down, I could even see it going up to 150 if it does break above 145. Now, jumping into the commodities, gold is really quiet, eerily quiet, okay? In fact, it's just trading at this 1500-ish level, not going down, but at the same time, not going higher either. What is continuing to go down is the price of oil. We're looking at the April price of oil at $26 a barrel, $26.50 a barrel. And this is like really almost all-time lows. I believe $24 was the low of 2015. So this is really getting into that historic level. Now, jumping into the Dow Jones, we had a nice short covering yesterday. If we look at a 1-hour chart, you can see we had this nice little rally yesterday from about hitting that 20,000 up to 21,100-ish level, and then giving back way. On the downside, we're trading at 20,152. So that means we're limit down right here, which means that the market has systematically closed. Okay, and especially if we do break this 20,000, we could see it further decline. Okay, that is support level. If we look at that Fibonacci retracement, and the next one really further than that is 17,000. Okay, so look at that. I've never seen such a nosedive like that in my life. Okay. This is unprecedented, okay? I hope it's a quick thing. I hope we come out of this really stronger and faster than what we initially anticipate. As the saying goes, prepare for the worst, but hope for the best, okay? So if this does break 20,000, we could surely see it go back down to the 17,000. And if it continues, we could see this go back into the 15,000. And I don't want to say that we could go back to 10,000. That would be a third of what we are in our all-time highs. Now, the stocks yesterday, some of them were very strong. If you look at Apple, They bounced a little bit, and that's after hours trading. Amazon bounced a little bit to 1794. Microsoft bouncing a little bit to 144. Okay, so they're still trading with the index. So as long as the index is strong, then I expect the stocks to stay strong. Okay, what is standing out right now is companies like Walmart, like Evergreen, like some of the pharmaceutical and some of the companies that are providing goods mostly to the public. Okay, so those stocks are going to start doing well in this type of environment. So it's a shift in the economy, and we just have to shift with it. Okay, and luckily as traders, we're able to do that. So imagine you're in the airline industry. If you're a pilot or you're a steward in an airline industry right now, you don't have work. But as a trader, the advantages of trading the markets is that in any type of environment, you always have something to trade. Okay, so just as a little bit of a nice positive note to today's daily review is that you got to look for those opportunities. Right now, there's lots of them, especially in the Dow, especially in the Forex symbols. Okay, everything is really giving it to you right now. So I do expect this to change over time. Okay, and as that changes, we will change our trading style as well. But I want to wish everybody a great trading day, and most importantly, health is wealth. Thank you all. God bless.